if I tell you that today I have brought a life-changing book for all of you? It is surely going to help all of us to reach till success. This book's tips, techniques and tricks I'm following from days, and to solve my problems or any questions, I have got the perfect ways. This book has tremendous power, and it says that our mind has tremendous power says. So for you to reach to success, you need to read this book. And so if you're interested and want to reach to success, stay tuned and connected to the end of this video. So let's get a move on. So hey everyone, and welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBR. So as today is another BBR Sunday, and as I have told that today I've got a life-changing book for all of you. This book has the main focus that how we can convert our thoughts and actions into success, and it has the main focus on the subconscious mind, and we are going to get in detail how to channelize our thoughts and our actions and everything into success. So the book of which I'm talking about is The Miracles of Your Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy, the best-selling author of the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. So why are we waiting for? Let's get started with this incredible review, which is really going to help you all a lot. So 14th BBR is our wish, so let's start the video in a swish. In today's video, I have on number 1 is BBR My Review, then the hashtag BBR Experience, and we're also having the hashtag Flash New Ones lined up for all of you. So stay tuned and connected and watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's move. Let's get started. Number 1 is BBR My Review. So today I have brought this incredible book. It's The Miracles of Your Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. So this book, what is this book? What is this having? So in this book it is that our mind, the tremendous power of our mind, which is capable of, can make us more successful, wealth, and provide us valuable guidance in key decisions. Now this book has about 6 chapters, and each chapter has about a specific point by point proper definition, and it is explained in a simple language, and there are lots and lots of illustrations. Now here illustrations, what they mean. Now here illustrations means the examples of the people, how they got the advantage of their subconscious mind. Now a human being has about one mind, but with 2 distinct phases or functions of just one mind. The one phase is characterized by its own phenomena, which is peculiar to something like that to itself. So we can call the one part as the objective mind and the other part as the subjective mind. So the subjective mind means the conscious mind. Now there are really very different types of terms used for defining subconscious and conscious mind. So it's like objective, subjective mind. Then we can also call the waking and sleeping mind, the surface self and the deep self. So the subconscious mind is also called as the deep self for us. Now we must remember one thing, that the subconscious mind has made our body. It can also heal it. So the subconscious mind has a lot of power, intelligence and give us solutions in a logical way. So subconscious mind learns and knows everything. So subconscious mind sees without the use of eyes. Subconscious mind can travel to distant lands and bring back intelligence. So indeed, subconscious mind is the intelligence which is present in us. Now subconscious mind is the seat of our emotions. Subconscious mind believes in what we believe. So if we believe in truth and if we believe in that faith, subconscious mind will believe the same. So for example, if you tell and just talk to people, I don't like mushrooms, and when the time comes for you to be served mushrooms and you get indigestion, you know why? Because the subconscious mind says to you, the boss doesn't like mushrooms. The second example is a woman. A woman says that she wakes up at about 3 o'clock when she drinks coffee at night. So when she drinks it, her subconscious mind nudges to her as if to say that the boss wants you to stay awake tonight. So whatever you think, you believe in, and what you speak, what you believe in, what you say is truth, the subconscious mind will say as truth. So subconscious mind can bring what you believe in different types of conditions, experience or events. So it's all about you and the subconscious mind. So we believe in truth. So whatever you're gonna say, subconscious mind is presented to you. Now let's move to the next. This is how to do the process. Now if you want a healing, for example, what you need to do, stay calm, collected, very relaxed and just immobilize your attention. Now what next you're going to do? So if you're wanting a healing, just memorize, just tell to yourself that the organ of your body is healing very slowly and properly, like what you're seeing on the screen right now. So just do that. As you do that, there must be no resentment or bitterness in your heart. You must forgive everyone. You can repeat this healing process 3 to 4 times a day. Remember that your subconscious mind made the body, it can also heal it. So do this process about 3 to 4 times daily and you're gonna get the results very fast. Now let's take another example. Edison, Ford, Marconi, Einstein and many others have used their subconscious mind. The subconscious mind has given them a lot of knowledge and know-how to get their knowledge, to get their success in industry, art and science. So like this, our subconscious mind is everything. Let's move to an example. For example, how to do this process again. Quiet the mind, still the body, relax, immobilize yourself and just tell your body to relax. It has to obey you because you are the owner of it. Now the subconscious mind is said to be your boss. Whatever you tell it, you're gonna do it. So as I've given you the 2 first examples of the woman and the mushroom, their mentality, now it says that the boss wants you to stay awake tonight. So do what you want and whatever you're wanting, do a simple process of 2 steps which I'm going to give. I'm going to give it afterwards, but first let's start with the example I was telling. What I was telling that relax your mind, still the body and calm it with your conscious mind. Think how happy you would be if you have the answer of your that difficult question. So if you have a question in your mind and you're having a problem, how to solve it, tell your subconscious mind about it, discuss with it. So this is the process. If your mind wanders, bring it back gently in this sleepy, drowsy state. Say quietly and positively, the answer is mine now. And you say, I know that my subconscious mind knows the whole answer. Now sense the feeling you would have if you have the perfect answer with you and stay calm, happy and positive as you can. So when you do this, let your mind play with that relaxed mood that your subconscious mind gets interest. And you're gonna drift off, you're gonna drift to sleep and you may have fall asleep sooner than you had expected because you were thinking about that positivity. And our subconscious mind is called the deep self. So when we are sleeping, it works on whatever exact problem. Example, we are wanting a healing, we have got something hurt over here or anything, any problem, it works on it in the calm way. Okay, but there may be some things that you may not get answer very fastly. So it doesn't follow that you will get your answer in overnight. It may take weeks or months. Now the reasons the due may be or the delay may be that you must be thinking in yourself, you must be believing that the problem is really very big, it's a major problem and your subconscious mind and you're gonna take a lot of time. So stop thinking like this. Whatever you're gonna think, subconscious mind is going to result the same. So think that the problem is very small because your subconscious mind is really very intelligent and can give you a very proper logical answer just very fast and quicker. Now there are a lot of different types of examples in this whole book and this book is really very simple to read. Now let's take an example of myself. Now what happened with me and how I got the subconscious mind. Now the incident was all started in the month of September 2020. We released our second video, which is the first VBA Bhagavad Gita as it is review. So what had happened is, we had put in the first part of the video some clues to just know you all viewers, you all must have got it, to just put down comments. We are just asked down to put comments about which is that book, just guess it. We are just giving some clues. And what the exactly thing has offered is the comments were disabled. Now we were new to YouTube, it was just our second video, we didn't know anything about YouTube and all of it, analytics and whatever is there. So we all just got confused and so we just tried to go on different types of websites, search how to turn the comments on again, but we didn't got any results. The comments were disabled, they were just off. No one was able to put comments and everyone just calling us and just messaging us, hey, your comments are off, hey, we want to put comments. Just said, how can we do? Now we just tried a lot of time but we didn't got any success. Now what I did is, in the night when I was about to sleep, I just told my mind, my subconscious mind, very slowly, calm and just positively that we are not getting how to turn on the comments. The comments are off and some more powerful words which I'm gonna tell you. So I just told some more powerful sentences and what happened the next, it was just a stunning thing. I just got stunned. It is that I got a very special dream and in that dream I got a process by process step how to convert the off comments into on. And so it was really very great. It just showed me go in this chapter, go over here and the comments were on. And so when the next day I woke up, I just told my parents about this dream and they said, why don't you try? So we all tried and the comments were on again. And we also got some more updates and some more advancements in our videos. You can see now we also have different types of timestamps and different types of time codes. So if you're wanting to see that timestamps, please go in the description box. There are timestamps. You can go back, go forward. Okay, so this is how my subconscious mind really answered to me and he has given a lot of solutions to my different types of problems. So this whole book's focus is this only, the power of your subconscious mind. Now this book has about different types of chapters. Now I'm not gonna reveal the other chapter secrets because you need to read that, or then why would you read if I tell everything? So read this book, it's just incredible and I just loved it. Now let's talk about how the book is. The book is really very simple and easy to read. It is having about 73 pages of the main thing you must read. So when you are just reading, just start by reading in a simple language and it's done. So read this book, it's just really very great. And remember this last one, it's that the action is your thoughts, but the reaction is your I'll tell you. The reaction is your response from your subconscious mind. So note this point in your notebook or anything, that the action is your thought, but the reaction is the response from your subconscious mind. And follow it. Okay, and so this was my review. I do hope that you loved this video and this review. Okay. So let's move to the hashtag BBI experience where you are waiting for it. It is that you can share your experience about how you felt or what you learned after reading this book any other book, or how you felt, what you learned after hearing this review. Just drop comments in the comment section with the title #BVR experience, and it's done. And your best experiences will be highlighted in my next video, but I'm also going to highlight it in today's video too, with the title #FlashMeOnce. Now let's move to the #FlashMeOnce, and a big flash me to the best experiences you shared with me. Okay, so these were the best experiences I got from all of you, and of course I am looking forward for all of your comments, those beautiful comments with that #BVR experience and other motivational comments, because your all comments really motivate me to make more BVR and interesting videos. So stay commenting, and so this was my review, this was my video, and so that was all from me for all of you today, and I hope you loved the video, and I hope you love this special BVR concept. And in the meanwhile, a new video with a new concept is waiting for all of you on next Sunday at sharp 5 PM. So stay tuned at that time. And in the meantime, please press that subscribe button, and please smash that bell icon and turn on the notification. There's the allow button. Please allow it. And please leave us a like, loads of your comments, shares, and loads of your love. And stay tuned and connect with our next video. Happy watching, happy learning, and unique readings.